Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys an ultimate cleaning video. I have a ton to do. My house is a mess and I am ready to just get it cleaned. So I'm gonna be sharing a lot and I hope you guys are ready for this. So I'm standing in my room right now. Most of the time I always start cleaning in my room and then I move my way down up until I get to the kitchen. So today I am starting in my room. Before I keep going on and on, I have a lot to do, so let's go ahead and get started.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love.
On the kitchen while he sleeps, kitchen, living room, and dining room while he sleeps, and then when he gets up, I will clean the bathroom. I usually like to clean it when he's awake because it's right across from his room, so I will make a lot of noise for him, and I really need him to nap as much as he can. It just gives me some free time to do a ton of work while he's sleeping. So yeah, let's tackle this kitchen and get it done. Before I start, I made some beets. I like to boil my beets. I used to bake them, and I think it was on Rachel Ray, some guy was giving a tip on how to bake them, and you bake them in like a ton of salt, and I guess that's supposed to keep in the juice, because the nutrients are obviously in the juice. And I did that one time, and I think I did too much salt because they were so salty and gross, and I ended up throwing them out. So ever since, I've just been boiling them, and I love beets. I think they're so delicious. So yeah, I did that just so I could get them out of the way, and they were going bad actually, so I really needed to get them done. My kids love beets, and I don't think my husband really likes beets, but we love beets. Anyways, enough about beets. I'm gonna go ahead and get started.
I wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again is something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Cause all you need is somebody. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So I moved my plant here. This is my bird of paradise because this is the best place that it can get most lighting because of our whatever that's called. What is that called? In the ceiling. It's called something. But anyways, that's where most of the light comes through in the living room. So it will get better light from here. I used to have it right there, right under that frame. where am I going? Right here, under that frame there. So I'm hoping that it's going to grow a little bigger, because bigger and better, because it was really starting to die. So anyways, I posted a video on a couple days ago about all about my plants. So I included about how I take care of this one and what happened to it. So if you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch it. I'm gonna link it here for you guys to go watch it if you have not seen it. The living room is all done. Now I'm gonna go move to the dining room. It is a hot mess, as you can see behind me there. I'm gonna go ahead and get it done and cleaned. Logan is still sleeping, so everything is moving smoothly. He's probably gonna get up sometime soon, so I'm gonna go ahead and tackle that before he gets up. But if he does get up, it's okay. He likes to help me clean anyways. But yeah, it's been busy. I have a lot to clean. Today's my day off work, so I figured it would be the best day to get this house done. Let's get it done and be ready for the weekend.
I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set you free? Take a walk with me outside. Tell me everything about you. Yeah, 'cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me forever. Yeah, anywhere you wanna go. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold. If we ever was lost before, now we finally found our way. And love is stronger than anything. We will make our own way. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah, let's go for gold. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Yeah, let's go for gold. Yeah.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'm I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again.
So I just finished
I need you.
this room, and I realized it's 5 o'clock. I
Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, it felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you looking like that.
Yeah.
Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you.
Lots of
How
clean
many times
motivation.
I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, it felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Ooh, smiling like that, I can never resist it.